it's on. Well, this thing's on.
National
On
Weather Service
blinking.
in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Crawford County in south-central Indiana, Perry County in south-central Indiana, northwestern Meade County in central Kentucky, northwestern Hancock County in central Kentucky, northern Breckinridge County in central Kentucky until 7 p.m. or 6
That's a big
p.m.
one.
At 3:54 p.m. or
It is
6:54
raining.
p.m.
Thunder's moving in the
Automated
area.
rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the
Oh, that
Warren
was just-
area.
Look,
Up to 2 inches of rain have already
it's
fallen
raining
across
outside.
Perry County.
It's pouring.
Flash flooding is
Sun's coming.
expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Tell City,
Oh,
Carefree
yeah.
Town, Mount Pleasant, Lewisport, Candleton, Leopold, Troy, Leavenworth, Alton, and Roberta. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Perry, Indiana, and Hancock, Kentucky.
I don't want to get rain. I don't want to get my thing all wet.